ba, U16 Asia Cup Siaba qualifiers Philippines. Papahan po natin si Coach. Nakakatuwa talaga, no? Those young talent rising, representing the Philippines with so much heart and vigor. By the way, Coach is not just a champion on the court, he's also a champion when it comes to watching, you know, beautiful moments on his screen sa LG TVs. Di ba, Coach?
Yes, Robbie. First of all, good afternoon to everyone. Again, thank you for having me, LG family. Ako din, kagaya mo, I'm an LG user din for so many years now. You have 45
units at all.
Well, 46.
Champion ka talaga. Tatalo na naman ako. Kaya Tenorio.
I have 46 TVs ako. No, just to be serious about it. No? Actually, I'm very happy to be here. Again, I'm very, just like what you said a while ago, the new OLED, no, I'm excited to use it, especially after my training. No? After my training, after my practices, because I'm still actually, just for the record, I'm still part of the Ginebra team, part of the PBA team, so hopefully
20 years, Coach.
this is my 20, let's not talk about it anymore. This is my 20 years in the PBA already, the professional league, so I'm truly blessed, no? So after a training, but you know, the big factor there is even, you know, sa mga practices after long practices, after long workouts, and now practicing with the youth, the under 16, practicing in the evening. So I'm practicing in the morning with the professional team, and then in the evening I have to teach the kids, the under 16.
BCC Coach?
Busy, but even though with a busy schedule, of course, you know, I still find time to relax. So, you know, I'm really excited to use this new OLED TV. Also, I'm a gamer also, just like Bella and Mika. I'm a gamer also. I'm a big fan of Call of Duty and PGA, golf, and RPGs. So I play a lot. So that's why you can guess what time ako natutulog. Because after settling my 4 kids, and then that's the time I can play. And I'm really excited to use the OLED TV in my gaming also.
What a guy.